आप देख रहे हैं नेट्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का।
सनी लियोन अपनी जिंदगी की स्टोरी लेके आई है वेब सीरीज के थ्रू, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं जी ओरिजिनल में। चलिए सनी से ही जानते हैं उनकी वेब सीरीज के बारे में।
Hi Sunny, where are you? Hi, here. Okay. What is the biggest challenge for you while making this web series?
The biggest challenge was shooting with the characters who play my family, mummy, papa especially, and मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. I can't even tell you how difficult it is. I think if there's anybody in the audience who's maybe lost their mom, maybe lost their dad, इस दुनिया में नहीं है, then वो दुख आप समझ सकते हैं. And then to relive that, क्योंकि वो जो दुख है, you bury it, you put it in the closet, you put it in a suitcase. I call it Pandora's box. You bury it and you heal from those situations. So जब मैं ये shoot कर रही थी, and I was telling the stories, couch पे बैठ रही थी, I said so many different stories, and then I read the script, and मैंने सोचा कि okay fine, it doesn't seem that bad, but जब वो आपके सामने है और वो जो feelings है, it's another level of going through the same thing. Yes, they're not my parents, but the feelings are still there. So it's very hard.
So would you prefer to be called Sunny Leone or Karanjeet Kaur?
जो आप चाहते हैं is fine with me. I think you've all known me as Sunny for so long. If somebody said Karan right now or Karanjeet, I'd still answer. It's fine. Sorry. There was just two people, and also my brother. So he did that line जो आपने अभी बोला था, मेरे पापा ने actually बोला था. So बहुत दुख होता है जब मैं वो line सुनती हूँ. And there's a lot of situations, sub-stories, a lot of conversations जो दोनों seasons में हैं, जो actually था. So that was very important to me, especially जब हम फैमिली के बारे में वो शूट्स सीन्स कर रहे थे या स्टोरीज बता रहे थे. वो सीन्स मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे, क्योंकि there's nothing I can do about my decisions. There's nothing I can do about if I've hurt them or if they were upset and all these things. But at least I could tell the truth.
ये वेब सीरीज आप जी ओरिजिनल में डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हैं विद कैमरा पर्सन प्रशांत, पैनिशापुरी, नेट्रिक न्यूज।
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेट्रिक न्यूज की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।